Hey there, Mark Helton here, and I've got a sales boosting tool today that I'm going to show you that'll help you increase the calls from your website by as much as 30%. That's right. You can use this little widget, put it on your website, and increase the calls that you get from your website by as much as 30%. And the best part is that this is something you can do in about 5 minutes. So if you're a marketing agency or a website designer or you do any kind of advertising for your clients, this is a great little tool that you can use to either get more business or offer additional services to your customers. I'm going to show you exactly how this works. If you're a business owner, you're going to love this too because you can put this on your website in minutes and you can start benefiting from it instantly. All right, so here's how it works. So here I am logged into my Hot Prospector account. Actually, first off, let me show you the widget. My bad, I got a little ahead of myself. So here I am on the Hot Prospector site, and I actually have this widget right here installed on our site. So you see as I'm scrolling through the site, you see this little button here. It says Call Us Now. All your customer has to do is click on that Call Us Now button. A little box will pop up. They type in their phone number, and they click Call Now. Now when they click that Call Now button, they're going to get a phone call on the phone number that they typed in here. And they're going to hear a message. Thank you for your interest. Please hold for the next available agent. Now, while they're holding, they hear the hold music. The agent will then be called on their number. And once the agent accepts the call, the two calls will be placed together and they can have a conversation. It's that simple. Now, the cool thing about this widget is you can actually set the times that you want it to be available. You can change all of the different screens, all the text that's on each individual screen as the caller is being placed on hold, or if they reach an agent, what they see. All of those different things are customizable. And I'm going to show you exactly how that works. So if you have a Hot Prospector account now, it's easy. All you do is go into the account, mouse over Contact, click on Click to Call. If you don't have a Hot Prospector account, I'm going to show you at the end of this video how you can get one. So all you do is mouse over Contact, click on Click to Call. There we go. And then once you've done that, you'll see here where you can add the button. Now, if you're a marketing agency, look at this. You can add as many of these buttons as you want. If you're a business owner and you have a lot of websites and you want all these buttons on different sites, that's fine too. You can add as many as you want. There's no limitation here, okay? So when you create this button, I'm just going to show you here how easy it is. All you have to do is put your name of the button text, select the colors that you want for your hover text and your button color, and then the number that you want your agents to be called on, the phone number that you want to show up on the caller ID when you're calling your agent, the group that you'd like all your leads to be added to automatically when they when somebody clicks on the form and puts in their phone number, the domain URL of where you're going to be putting this button, the location on your site you want this button to appear, and then here is the template that you want to use for your actual widget. Okay, so this is what it would look like once it's already done. So I created one here. I filled out all the information. Okay, it's so easy. Now, once this is done, you also have the ability, which I suggest to do, and I didn't do this because this is a sample, but you have the ability to come in and change each of those different screens that your customer is going to be presented with as they're waiting for an agent or they're on the call with an agent. One of the really cool features of our system is you can actually give feedback to the agent at the end of the call. So if you want to use this for to see how good your sales rep is doing or your customer service rep, that's a really cool feature. Another thing too is if, let's say, it's off the business hours, then the schedule call button will automatically pop up. It'll actually automatically schedule the call for the next available day. So they'll get a message, it'll pop up to say, sorry, all of our agents are busy, but you'll receive a call on this day at this time. And then that next day, when the business hours are available again, which again is based off of these settings that you set here, they'll receive a call automatically, and it'll say, you have a scheduled call to speak with an agent. Please hold for your agent. And then boom, the agent will be connected. It's that simple. So this is the Click to Call widget. It's so easy. Like I said, all you have to do is create this quick button. It takes you 5 minutes to set up the button. You add the little code. Actually, let me show you the code. Oops. You add this little code here right on your website, and that code can be added if you have a WordPress site. Can be added right to your text editor. If you are not familiar with how to add that code to your site and you have the web designer, just give that to them and they'll take care of that for you. But you can add as many of those as you want. All right, now I said I would show you how to get a Hot Prospector account if you do not already have one. All you have to do is go to hotprospector.com, and there's two ways that you could do this. I'm going to show you both. First way is if you'd like to get a demo where you can see all the other features, and look at this. There's a ton of stuff available to you here in this platform, and we literally can replace all the software that you're using in your business. I mean, literally everything from sales pipeline management to your appointment booking calendars. You don't need anything but Hot Prospector. So we're going to save you a ton of money as well. So again, the first thing you can do if you just want to see how the system works is click on the request a demo. The second thing, if you just are saying, you know what, I'm sold, I want this, I don't want to waste any time, click here where it says select your package, and you will see we have 4 different packages available. We have our starter package, which is only $100 a month, our solopreneur package, which is $200 a month, our small business package, which is $500 a month, and our elite business package, which is $1,000 a month. Each of those packages come with almost all the features. We're not holding anything back. I mean, the only difference is between the solo and the small business is just that you have more users that you can have in this system. But take a look at this. You can sign up for whichever package you'd like, and we're so excited to have you as a customer. So if you have any questions, click on the request demo. You can also just sign up by selecting your package. Thank you so much for watching this video. We cannot wait to work with you. See you on the inside.